Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Learning with Punam Jain. In previous video, we had learned about simple present tense. And in today's video, we are going to learn about present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is used to talk about the things which are happening now. Or we can say which are happening at the time of speaking. जो काम अभी हो रहा है या उस वक्त हो रहा है जिस वक्त बात की जा रही है, ऐसे कामों के लिए या ऐसी चीजों के लिए हम प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस यूज करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई एम टीचिंग प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस. मैं प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस पढ़ा रही हूँ. दे आर गोइंग टू मनाली टुडे. वे आज मनाली जा रहे हैं. ही इज रीडिंग अ बुक. वो एक बुक पढ़ रहा है. Children, we can use the words like now, today, and at the moment with present continuous tense. और अगर हम हिंदी में बात करें तो जिन वाक्यों में हम रहा है, रहे हैं, रही है, रहा हूं या रही हूं जैसे शब्दों का प्रयोग करते हैं, ऐसे वाक्यों को जब हम इंग्लिश में बोलेंगे तो हम प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस यूज करेंगे. Now let's learn how do we frame sentences using present continuous tense. First of all comes the subject. Then we use helping verbs like is, am, are. Then comes the verb plus ing. And then comes the object. For example, I am writing a paragraph. Here, I is the subject, am is the helping verb. For writing, we have used base verb write and we have added ing into it. So it becomes writing. And a paragraph is object here. So I am writing a paragraph. मैं एक paragraph लिख रही हूँ. We are studying English. Here, we is the subject, are is the helping verb. Studying is formed from the base verb study and ing has been added. English is the object here. We are studying English. You are packing your bag. You is the subject here. Are is the helping verb. Pack plus ing. Packing is the verb. Your bag is the object. You are packing your bag. He is riding a horse. He is the subject. Is helping verb. Ride plus ing becomes riding, which is the verb. A horse is the object here. She is watering the plants. She is the subject. Is helping verb. Watering. Water plus ing. Watering is the verb. The plants object. She is watering the plants. They are watching television. They subject are helping verb. Watch plus ing. Watching is the verb. Television is the object. They are watching television. Abhishek and his friends are playing football. Abhishek and his friends. Subject. Plural hai. So we have used the helping verb are here. Play plus ing. Playing is the verb. Football is the object here. Abhishek and his friends are playing football. Children, let's learn to frame sentences using present continuous tense with the help of this table. To frame sentence, first of all, we write subject, which can be first person, second person or third person. Then we write helping verb, which is, am or are. Then we write verb plus ing and then we write object. Let's take some examples. I am drinking milk. I के साथ हम am use करते हैं हमेशा. I am drinking milk. We क्योंकि plural है, plurals के साथ हम are use करते हैं. We are drinking milk. You, whether it is singular or plural, we use are helping verb. You are drinking milk. Now, with third person singular, we use the helping verb is. And with third person plural, we use the helping verb are. Like, he is drinking milk, she is drinking milk, it is drinking milk, and they क्योंकि plural होता है तो उसके साथ हम helping verb use करेंगे are. They are drinking milk. So, singulars के साथ हमने is use करना है. Plurals के साथ हमने are use करना है third person में. So children, that's all for today. Thank you so much.